How often do you find yourself reaching out for vegetables? Not often enough, perhaps? National Eat Your Vegetables Day on June 17th provides an exciting opportunity to explore the uncharted territories of your veggie palate. So, whether you're a salad lover or a first-time kale taster, today is all about celebrating the most vibrant elements on your plate. Now, how can you commemorate National Eat Your Vegetables Day? Here are a few ideas. Venture out to a vegetarian restaurant where vegetables take center stage. Or experiment in your kitchen with unique vegetables like taro or jackfruit. And why not challenge yourself? Aim for 5 servings of veggies today. From breakfast to dessert, let vegetables shine on your plate. Venture into the world of vegetables today. You might just stumble upon your new favorite food. Remember, an apple a day keeps the doctor away has now become 5 a day. Embrace the vibrant colors and varied flavors of vegetables for a balanced diet. Health isn't a destination, it's a journey, so take the challenge, savor the freshness, and make every day an Eat Your Vegetables Day.